Can you say hi? Hi. Can you say Dad? Dad? You putting the cracker in there? Can you say Dad? Dad, good. Can you say dog? Dog? What does a cow say? Moo. Say it again. What does a cow say? Moo, good. What does a duck say? Quack, quack, quack. What does a sheep say? Ba. Good. Ba. What does a snake say? What does a monkey say? A monkey? What's a monkey say? Are you leaving on your plane? Going backwards? Boom. Whoa! Whoa! You're fast. Oh. Careful. Gotta be careful, huh? Are you on an airplane? Can you say truck? Truck? All right. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.